You are watching Community TV. Community first.
Gender-based violence, a pervasive and insidious issue that affect millions of people worldwide, particularly women, girls, and even boys. It is a violation of human rights and significant barriers to achieving equality and sustainable development. Gathered in this hall are stakeholders from government of Kano State, civil society organizations, religious leaders, journalists to launch the 16 days activism in the state and to also discuss issues regarding gender-based violence in Kano State.
We're celebrating the global 16 days of activism. And if you know, the Violence Against Person and Prohibition Act was passed in 2015 and NAPTIP was mandated to enforce and administer the Violence Against Person and Prohibition Act. That gave us the mandate and the rule to enforce the Vapp Act against violence against persons. So you find out that once the 16 days of activism has been ratified by Nigeria, that gives an NAPTIP responsibility to celebrate together with the global world.
I would like to particularly appreciate the Rule of Law and Anti-Corruption Rollout 2 program for sponsoring and supporting this briefing. ROLAC has consistently demonstrated commitment to strengthening justice systems in Kano and promoting accountability as well as improving access to protection services. Their support today reinforces the importance of strategic partnership in advancing the sexual and gender-based violence response in Kano State.
Mr. Speaker, ask me to give you assurances that the doors and windows of the Kano State House of Assembly are wide open to partner with any institution, CSO, NGO, whatever you want to call it, provided the mission is to better the life of the good people of Kano State.
Some of the stakeholders also call on Kano State House of Assembly to consider passing the Vapp Act law.
Issue of the Vapp Act. It might interest you to know that the Vapp Act, which is the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act, has been passed into law in all the states of Nigeria except Kano. So this is one of the things that is really a problem to all civil society organizations because there is a lot of misunderstandings of the Vapp Act.
After speaking of some of the laudable steps we have taken on sexual and gender-based violence in ensuring Kano move from red to blue, I also informed the representative of the speaker that Vapp bill should be passed. This law, the passage of this bill is very germane to side by side.
Waiting for the State House of Assembly to pass the draft rules necessary for the carrying out of the assets. This is what we are, Honorable Speaker. All of us here represent the state and non-state actors. There are coalitions of civil society organizations which cover 44 11 areas of Kano with strong projects ongoing now.
The 16 days activism is coming at a time Nigeria is faced with so many security challenges, and it is hoped that all hands would be on deck to tackle the menace of gender-based violence. Ilyas Yusuf, reporting for Community TV.
You are watching Community TV. Community first.